everybody, guess what? So I just went to coupons.com and there's a bunch of new coupons available. They weren't here yesterday, I think, but a lot of them became available today. So we have $5.50 off of 2 Airwick twin refills. We have $5.50 off of 2 Airwick refills. I'm not sure when those expire, but I'm going to print them off anyways, just in case there's some Ibotta deals when this whole thing all blows over. So I'm going to print all those off. Now here's Renews It. I never get those coupons, but it's $1 off too, so I will take it. Scrubbing Bubbles, I think those have been available for a while. Act is new, so we have that. There's Biotine, $1.50 off of that. I'm going to just print that off. I'll print off the Act too. And then we got some Claritin, a lot of Claritin coupons, which I think they came out in this past Sunday or the future Sunday. I can't remember what's coming out. But we got Clorox wipes. I like these, so I'm going to print that off. And then we got Easter candy, $1 off any 2, just in case we go last minute Easter shopping. $1 off Arm & Hammer toothpaste, which I'll be printing that off. And then we have the Arm & Hammer spin brush toothbrush, which I'm not going to print off because it'll probably expire. Now this is an Adidas Sports. This reset for me. It's a $5 off coupon. I'm going to print that off just in case there's a deal that we can stack on it. And then there's Nasacort and Zyzal. So those are all the coupons that are new. Ivory is still available. $2 off of 2. But that is pretty much everything that is available. If you guys need to print some new coupons. Hard to say if we'll even get to use them. Some of them don't. Sometimes they don't always expire right away. Let's just check and see what the dates are so you guys can kind of see when they expire. Preparing your coupons for printing. The dog takes forever. Really, the time? Okay, so the Adidas doesn't expire till May. The Snuggle and the Airwick expires on May 2nd, so it looks like 30 days after you guys print it. The Biotine expires at the end of the month. The Act doesn't expire till almost the end of May. The Clorox expires in the middle of the month, and the M&Ms and Starburst expire on Easter. And the Arm & Hammer expires on the 25th. So there's some good times, you know, if you guys need to print that off. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.